Hey bro, getting hungry yaar.
Okay, let's order something. What would you like to have?
Burger for me.
Okay, then I will buy pizza for me.
Till then, let's make a burger in my style. In your style, I didn't get you.
Don't get me. Just come with me.
Hey bro, now I am getting confused yaar. Please don't get confused yaar. I am just making the burger in Illustrator. Okay, you are illustrating the burger. I'm not illustrating the burger in Illustrator. I'm just converting the illustrated burger into a 3D burger.
What?
Exciting. Yeah, it's exciting. So stay tuned. So first I have illustrated the burger in Illustrator, and here we have to make a point that every object should be a different object. So we can make a proper 3D icon of it. So for that first I am going to group all these objects together and grouping these objects separately. And after that select this burger, go to effects, 3D and material, and here we have to select inflate, so it will inflate in a 3D way. It's a quick trick, but I'm going to discuss the settings with you. So in this, we have rotate around x-axis. We can rotate like this, or we can rotate in y-axis also like this. I'm going to inflate this also, okay? And for now, and this center is rotate freedom. So you can rotate in any direction. Let's make a copy of this both, because I need the front face also and I need the side face, means in isometric way. So for that I'm here selecting the burger, or you can rotate in any axis from here. See, so I'm just rotating it little bit like this. Okay, just adjusting the objects. Okay, here is the volume in which you can control the volume of the inflation of that object. And after that, here is the depth. Here you can increase the depth. In short, you can extrude the object. Okay, so for now I'm going to increase the depth little bit. Okay, and after that, going to lighting settings, you can increase or decrease here lighting rotations. You can play with it, height of the light and intensity of the light. We have all the settings related to 3D. So after that, you can put in shadows. Here you can select behind the object. You want behind the object, or you want below the objects. And after that, I'm going to render here, render with ray tracing. Just a second, and done. So you can off the shadows also. Okay, same with this. I'm just rendering it and done. And here we have presets of this lighting also. So we can select diffuse, standard lighting, top left, top right, and standard. I like to go with standard only. So done. Array, doorbell rings. Maybe order is there. You can get it now. So till then, I just want to show you what I made from this method. I just make this 2D pizza into 3D. I just make this donut, and literally I made a 3D character, means from 2D character to the 3D. So I hope you like this method or this video. So please subscribe to Skillvolution and stay tuned.